Welcome back to another walk around video at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at pre-owned 2023 Toyota Corolla LE upgrade in silver metallic color. This Toyota sedan comes with the 2-liter V4 engine and paired with continuously variable automatic transmission. This powertrain produces 169 horsepower, and some of the exterior features here we can see it's LED headlamps. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 features and sensors integrated into the front part of the vehicle, behind the emblem and into the windshield. Also, we have 16-inch wheels with alloy rims. This Corolla is front-wheel drive, and we have front and rear stabilizer bar here, front and rear disc brakes. Some of the exterior features are including body color door handles and exterior mirrors with black accents. And we have smart keyless entry in this vehicle. In order to lock this Corolla, just press those 2 lines on a door handle and it locks. To unlock, put your hand in a door handle and it unlocks, or simply use your key fob. We also have powered rear door here. Exterior mirrors equipped with blind spot monitor. Driver's door equipped with powered windows with auto up and down for all 4 windows. Power doors, window lock, and exterior mirror adjustment. Also speaker, bottle holder, and storage compartment. On the side from our tilted and telescopic steering wheel here, we have interior brightness adjustment, automatic high beams as a part of Toyota Safety Sense feature, heated steering wheel, and front windshield wiper de-icing. From the driver's seat, we're getting access to informational gauge cluster with digital screen. And here we can see our fuel information, audio controls, adaptive cruise mode, eco mode indicator, also our fuel indicators, and we can do our safety settings here as well. This Corolla comes with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the latest version of the Toyota Safety Sense features. We have lane departure alert with steering assist, blind spot monitor, pre-collision system with pedestrian and bicyclist detection. Also parking detection with emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, safe exit system, and road sign assist. Also, we can do vehicle settings here and meter settings as well. On the steering wheel, we have driver informational gauge cluster controls right here. Hands-free, volume up and down, voice intelligent assistant for Toyota, Google or Siri assistant. On the right, we have dynamic range cruise control buttons right here with the lane tracing assist right here and more audio modes. Moving to the center, we have engine start-stop button hiding behind the steering wheel. And in the center of the dash, we have 8-inch Toyota Multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available here. Also, we have our audio controls, trip information, and vehicle alerts, if we have any of them. And this is our customization and different settings for Bluetooth and devices, Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. Also, we can change the display settings right here as well. And down below, we have automatic climate control with the front windshield de-icer, rear window defroster, and exterior mirrors are heated as well, which is very handy in cold Albertan winter. We have eco heat and cooling mode here as well. If you want to save as much gas as possible, just press this button and the vehicle will adjust HVAC according to the fuel efficiency. And moving down, we have QI wireless phone charger right here. Turn a little bit LED lights at the top so maybe you can see a bit better. So it's right here, it's horizontal, and we have heated driver and front passenger seat buttons right here. Moving to our automatic transmission gear shifter, and here is traction control off button, and 2 cup holders with electronic parking brake with the brake hold. Central console equipped with the storage space, 12-volt connector, and USB-C port. Moving to overhead console, we have day and night rear view mirror right here, airbag indicators for your passengers, and Toyota SOS, Toyota Safety Connect button right here. And this Corolla LE upgrade equipped with the sunroof. So that's the controls for the sunroof, up and down, open, close, and LED map lights for the driver and the front passenger. Sun visor equipped with the mirror and LED light. Interior is made of black, high quality fabric here. Driver and front passenger seat have headrests, and they both manually adjustable. Rear passengers get to enjoy powered windows right here. Also some storage space and another speaker. Central console here equipped with 2 USB-C ports. Rear seats could be folded 60-40, and we have optional armrest with cup holder. We have children's seat anchors right here, and children's safety locks on the rear door. Moving to the back, we see roof integrated shark fin antenna, and also we have children seat anchors also at the back of the rear seats. We can see them here through the window. Toyota Corolla LE badging. Also, trunk door is equipped with 2 LED lights right here, backup camera with backup guide, and also it's a high resolution camera with a really good picture that you'll see on your Toyota Multimedia touchscreen when in reverse. And in order to open our trunk door, we either can press the button right here or press and hold button on your smart key fob, and door releases. We have cargo area right here, and it could be extended by folding rear seats 60-40. And underneath this cover, we have spare tire with tools to replace it. Let's have a last look at this pre-owned 2023 Toyota Corolla LE upgrade that we have here in stock. This vehicle comes with the great standard features like a sunroof, heated driver and front passenger seat, 8-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Toyota connected services, QI wireless phone charger, and so much more. Stop by and test drive this Corolla today. We're located at 137 Avenue and St.Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.